No.
and talking to the neighbor.
Is there anybody else here?
Mike, he's in the shower.
Okay.
Or in the bathroom. But he didn't even come outside. Your neighbor and you were smoking a cigarette.
So were you arguing on the phone or what's going on?
No.
Okay.
Nobody was arguing.
Okay. All right. We got called here for disturbance. I just heard one end of it, but
No, nobody was arguing.
Okay, so nothing. Nobody put hands on anybody. Nobody
No.
hurt anybody. Okay.
No, of course not.
Okay. All right.
I'm tired of my peace and tranquility being disturbed.
This is what he does.
And I have every right to.
You've got cameras
I'm
pointed
protecting
at you.
myself
You
against
can't
what's
step out.
going on. I
You
need
can't
my
step out.
evidence.
When it comes over, it's being recorded.
So.
This is an ongoing thing.
Okay. So.
Ongoing.
So,
And you're yelling, I'm sorry, you're yelling at me, mind my business,
I
when
didn't-
you're making your business mine.
So the.
I have it on
You
video.
were pointing at me and I said, mind your business.
He already listened to the video. He already listened to it.
The camera end, as far as that goes, whether or not you like it,
I know I can't do anything about
it is legal.
But it's legal for me to also say mind your business.
It's 100%. You're allowed to say what you want to say, to an extent. But yes, the cameras are legal. I'm just down here. I'm just down here to make sure that nothing illegal happened here. Nobody hurt anybody.
No.
Okay.
No.
And I wanted to.
You heard the video about how he's a crybaby and a baller about, please come back, please come back. It's ridiculous. Perverts and crackheads. That's what I got to deal with. It's insane to me, and that's my free speech.
I got down here for a disturbance. I just wanted to make sure everybody was okay. So, sure.
Don't worry, I looked at a couple apartments today, and I'm looking at a couple more tomorrow, and I'll be out of here, and you can all live your freaking crack life and your pervert life.
Fine, but let's talk to him and figure it out.
But
I've already got you all on video threatening me. That's fine.
Buddy, go back inside.
I don't have to, see? I don't have to. You don't rule the roost over here, man. You from day one, you thought you ruled the roost over me. You don't.
Come on in, buddy.
Yeah, come on in. Yeah. Tell some more lies. It's all on video.
All right, buddy.
I'm not your buddy. I'm your worst enemy. And you caused it.
Yes, I know.
Oh, I got to request his body cam, for sure. CAD number and all. I'd like to get the cab number so I can get the body cam footage.
Yeah, sure. I'll get it for you in one
Yeah,
second.
you can write it down on the back here if you like.
I have
my order.
I gotta get up.
My order of protection I'm going to file tomorrow.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Yeah, I can't wait for this body cam footage. Yeah, I'm the problem. I hope you guys don't think that. I'm gonna win in the long run, motherfuckers! They think it's over when I move. They think it's over when I move. Just beginning. Just beginning. People are such fucking morons when they're crackheads and perverts. You gotta take that, motherfuckers. God, the truth hurts some people. Truth is so painful. Start checking the trash for Willow. Tar boy. Tar boy in the trash.